Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Audrey Okhtari. This time, I will give my argument about the death penalty. The death penalty is a sentence or sentence handed down by the court as the togetherness form of punishment imposed on a person due to his or her action. Indonesia is a state based on law. No one can argue with that. Indonesia is one of the countries that still carries out the death penalty. Despite many objections from various circles, the Indonesian government still imposed the death penalty because it believes that the death penalty is effective in creating fear in society not to commit the same crime. The various reasons they raised were related to whether or not capital punishment was agreed. Some say the death penalty is against our constitution, but there are also those who disagree with the reason for the death penalty because it is against human rights. I personally do not agree that the death penalty carried out by various countries in the world is morally unjustifiable. In addition, there are other reasons, namely, 1. As stated by the Executive Director of Amnesty International Indonesian Usman Hamid emphasized that the death penalty does not provide a direct effect or reduce crime. He referred to research conducted by the United Nations. This has brought the public's repression of supporting the death penalty, especially for narcotic and terrorist crimes, and is one of the reasons for rejecting the death penalty. 2. The death penalty is often used as a political tool and is discriminatory in nature. He was aimed discriminatively against people who threatened power of discriminated against people who were weak. Example of several countries that imposed the death penalty used the sentence to public those who threaten power, such as Turkey. 3. Once the sentence is carried out, it cannot be changed if found guilty or new evidence that provide the convict in incorrect. The execution cannot be reproduced. An example is the death row inmate in a drug case from the Philippines, Mary Jane Velas. He was sentenced to death in 2010 after being found guilty of smuggling 2 kilos of heroin to Indonesia. However, the execution was postponed 1 hour before the execution due to information that Mary Jane was recruited by a drugs syndicate in the Philippines. If that information was late, the story would have been different for the Mary Jane case. Human rights activists argue that there are at least 3 reasons why the death penalty should be rejected. First, first, taking someone's life is the sole right of God. 2. The judge who sentenced the defendant to death was an imperfect human, so there was always the possibility of producing a wrong decision. 3. 3. The world people should be given the opportunity to undergo repentance for the crime they have committed. Conclusion: indeed, every crime must be given an appropriate punishment, and of course, every action has a different case and sentence that cannot be generalized. The death penalty is not ideal to apply. It can be seen from the impact that have occurred so far that the application of the death penalty has many negative impacts of human life. With the execution of the death penalty for murderers and serious criminals, there will be no peace in human life. The most important thing is that the number of serious crime in implement countries will remain the same, and there are still many who are doing so. Okay, enough here the argument for me. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.